Part 2. How do babies get made, Miss Kennedy? We're asking you.
I don't want you to ask me.
Why? You're a grown woman. You should know.
Don't ask me no license.
But how was your cat made? And they plugged each other in. Did they plug each other in like an inner plug and an outer plug?
By putting your pencil in your hand and draw.
It's 12:26.
Leave me alone.
It's 12:26.
But we want to pester you.
Buddy, in my last Kit Kat. Are you done?
I'm done with my beep.
Get out of there.
What? The bronchi's sticking out. You can check me out.
Close the door.
Bust out.
Okay. Ambassadors go. You're the ambassadors.
I'm not a principal.
Ambassador.
I'm the ambassador.
The people that are going to the lunch thing. Go.
Just go.
I forgot to shut.
Yana, she watching you.
I know what you're doing.
Something fell.
Sure.
Can I pick it up? Something fell.
Get out of there.
Something fell.
But we playing with two. Okay.
Close it all the way.
Oh my goodness.
I'm going to have to get a lock for all my stuff.
No, please, no.
I am.
It's not like everybody's gonna get in there.
Okay,
I've never
guys.
been in your closet before. That's my first time.
So we're gonna be doing a mukbang.
With nothing.
We're gonna be doing a mukbang. We'll be eating.
More Kit Kat.
We've been waiting for this at the note. All right, so here's Kit Kat, and so we're just gonna eat. I'm just gonna be right here by the speaker.
And just so we're gonna take our big behind over. We need a mic.
Black and white is no fun.
Oh. Try to eat this Kit Kat.
This kid was born in 1996, people. I was born in 1995.
Miss Kennedy was not born in 1996. She was born in 1996. She would have been like 20.
I don't want to do that. No. Okay, go.
She would have been She would have been 20. She would have been 23.
Can I go? You don't have time.
Miss Kennedy, I think you're like 40.
I think she's in her 30s.
Go get a book and open it.
We'll go to that.
Are you 40, Miss Kennedy? What's the first?
Are you 87?
100.
Look. You have to yell out, dude.
F. You just said an F bomb?
She going like.
Now I will be eating a milk dud.
Did I have one? There's only 6 of us. You're so cute.
There's you guys in here. And one of them's not making any noise at all.
Please be quiet. I mean,
That one. Because he's boring. He's beat.
milk dud.
Because he's doing the right thing.
Because he's scared.
Scared of me.
What about me? Yes, he is.
He's scared to get the chancla by. He's scared to get the chancla by his mom. No offense, Justin. I'm sorry, Justin. Don't cry. It's okay.
And Justin starts crying.
Oh, could you get those nails painted? You just have to.
I couldn't handle being quiet and working with somebody.
Yes, ma'am.
But it's better with the whole class.
No, Miss Kennedy, at least it's like the whole class, so you better be great.
You better be grateful. Guys, let's not wear Miss Kennedy out.
Miss Kennedy is lucky she don't have no kids.
No, she's not lucky.
And what?
You're lucky to have no kids. This is why you can't.
She's not lucky.
But how are you gonna make a baby?
Do you have a baby sack?
Is it like a plug and an outer plug?
I'm not talking.
Miss Kennedy, Justin, plug your ears. Justin!
Can I plug your ears?
Miss Never mind, I don't trust him. I don't trust him. You don't trust him? No, I don't trust that man. That's the person. I'm gonna ask you.
But also, guess what my mom has me and she doesn't want to get up. She has me go cook her some.
Miss Kennedy, Kiki said, "Are you on your period?"
No, that's what she said.
You know what that means, right?
Yeah, we're gonna